How to fix Face ID and passcode option not showing and missing from settings on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. As you can see here, the option for Face ID and passcode is not showing. So in order to fix Face ID and passcode option not showing and missing from settings on iPhone, launch the settings application on your device first and tap on screen time. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions now. Scroll down again and under Allow Changes, tap on Passcode Changes option and make sure the Allow option is selected. And now go a step back and toggle off the button for Content and Privacy Restrictions. And now if you go back to Settings again, you will be able to see your Face ID and Passcode option will be available there. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.